So we're going to talk a little bit about screen shields for your Nintendo Switch 2, and I have a couple of videos already up on both of these, but this is your follow-up because I am actually using the amFilm tempered glass crystal clear one on my Switch 2. I'll show it to you in a minute, but I also want to give you a follow-up on the ivoler because this is one that I had on my OLED, but unfortunately, it didn't fit to my liking on the Switch 2. So, of course, I'm going to link to the original videos that I've made on these in the description down below, and I'll also link to these products. But again, I'm going to recommend the amFilm tempered glass screen shield. I will turn this on in just a moment, but I do want to show you up close how the fit is on this. So that is the amFilm, and I'll turn it on in just a moment. It's a really, really nice fit, and you can see there's really no gaps along the sides or anything like that. And as we turn this on, it's not going to impact your button presses or anything like that, and it still looks crystal clear as you see right there. So just fantastic in my opinion. By the way, Fast Fusion is a really, really, really good game, especially considering it's only $14.99 on the eShop. I'm going to try to get it to load up there, and you can just see how that fits. And no rainbow effects, nothing like that. And it just works. So again, this one right here is by amFilm. It's what I recommend. I will link in the description down below the whole install process as I've done on a demo unit before the Switch 2 came out. But you get two of these, and it's very simple to install. It works really well. What I do want to show you real quick, and the issue that I had with the ivoler, this is it right here, is that it's a little bit different in their installation method. You get this frame, and I'm going to take my Joy-Cons off just so I can show you the issue that I ran into when I was trying to install it on mine, and I just decided, you know what, I'm going to go with something else, is you put this frame over just like that, and then you have your glass screen shield right here, and as you put it on top of it, what I found is as I would lift it up, and it's going to move a little bit because, of course, it's not attaching, and I'm not going to put a shield on a shield, but what I found is that it actually left a larger gap around the edge. It's really hard to tell here, but it's got these rounded corners, and so it just didn't fit quite the way I wanted it to. And so that's why I decided, you know what, I'm going to skip the ivoler, and instead I'm going with the amFilm. So very affordable, much more affordable than what you're going to pick up in a big box store. Tempered glass, in my opinion, is the way to go, and especially when we're talking about the Switch here. I mean, this is a device that, if you look at other channels, Jerry Rig Everything as an example, he went through the extreme screen test here, and it looks like it's made out of plastic. So you got to be careful, and this is a great way at a lower price point to protect your gaming investment. So, hey, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe for even more content. And I will catch you next time. Take care.